Janet from Try It, Like It, Create It, and I wanted to share with you that I just received a box in the mail from DecoArt showing us their new Galaxy Glitter Paint, and they sent me a few samples. And to get in close, I'll show you there's these are the colors that were sent to me, although there are more available. And then they sent, as you can see here behind, the coordinating acrylic colors to go with them. So I want to show you how they work and what their consistency is like. So I wanted to start off by showing you that the Galaxy Glitter colors come with a coordinating base coat, Americana base coat, or suggested base coat. And when they sent me the samples, they sent me this chart that goes along with it. And so you can see that there's quite a few other colors available than the 6 that I was sent. But so they have the Galaxy glitter on one side, and then the coordinating, sorry about that, base coat on this side. So to start, I wanted to show you that I've already painted the red down in order for this demo. So let me just get that in place, and then I can show you what the glitter does and how its consistency is and so forth. So I'm just going to squeeze some out here. I would say that it looks very much like a glitter glue. It does have that kind of a rubbery consistency of a glitter glue. But to show you that if you paint it by itself, it is actually glitter in a clear base. So you're really going to want a base coat underneath this, or you're going to put many coats to obtain a solid glitter look. So I've got the red Americana down already, and then I'm going to paint the glitter on top of it and show you how they coordinate together, and it works much nicer with the base coat than by itself. So hopefully you can see how that's working. There might be a little bit of a glare, or I don't know, in person. I'm looking on the phone and I'm looking at it in person, and there's a difference between the two. But to show you, you can see that it is definitely in a liquid clear base, and that placing it over a color then can give you the desired effect. So there, if I can get a little glare on it, you can see that the glitter lightens up and sparkles. So I'll come back and show you it when it's dry, so you can see the difference between the two. So now the paint is dry, and hopefully you can see that as I move it around, you can see that the glitter shines, the clear base does not show, and then you can see here how it reflects. The glitter reflects while it's over the painted surface. So hopefully, there we go. You can see the glitter working. It does not, the clear base does not dry shiny. It dries matte, just like the paint. So hopefully you can get a glimpse of that from me moving it. And then this glob here is where I squirted out the paint, and it is pretty much a thick glob of paint that has dried. So there's the painted version. That is a thick glob of paint, and then this is over the acrylic.